In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a phone call in Salesforce CRM. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to Salesforce, knowing how to accurately log a call can greatly enhance your record keeping and client communication. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to do it flawlessly. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into Salesforce. Make sure you have your credentials ready, and once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all your Salesforce activities. From here, you need to navigate to the specific record you want to log a call for. This could be a contact, lead, or any other entity you're working with. Simply use the search bar at the top or browse through your lists to find and select the correct record. Once you're on the appropriate record page, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice a plus icon there, which is crucial for this next step. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. What this does is open up a menu of additional actions you can perform. From this menu, you'll see an option labeled Log a Call. Click on Log a Call to open the call logging interface. Now this is where you'll input the details of your phone call. It's important to be as thorough as possible here, so think about the information that was exchanged during the call. The system will typically prompt you for essentials like the call subject, comments or notes from the conversation, and the call date and time. Remember, the more detailed the information you include, the better positioned you'll be to reference back to this call in the future. It's also a good practice to add any pertinent outcomes or action items that resulted from the call. Once you're satisfied with all the details you've entered and have reviewed them for accuracy, the final step is to click Save. This is crucial because clicking Save ensures all your entries are recorded in Salesforce, making the information accessible whenever you or your team need to refer back to it. And that's it! You've successfully logged a phone call in Salesforce CRM. This process not only keeps your records organized, but also enhances the transparency and collaboration within your team. It's a simple, yet powerful way to ensure that everyone stays informed and aligned when it comes to client interactions. Keep practicing these steps, and before long, logging calls will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.